which is hard for dudes to admit. They're like, the fuck was it? Well, you were kind of a shithead when you married her, and she might have been the same. And when you level up, which is what we find in Warrior, a lot of guys are terrified to level up for fear that they will not want the woman or the life that they're with right now. We tell them that's not necessarily the case all the time, but
yeah.
Well, I notice different inside of mine, right? The guy's just like a fucking hockey stick. They level right up and they forget all about the lady. Yeah. They literally forget that she exists.
Yes. Well, dude, this will happen with our guys too, and they'll come back after like 2 months and they'll be like, I don't know what the fuck's wrong with my wife. And I'm like, okay, whoa, can we pause for a second? Yeah. I said, you were an asshole for 17 years. Like being an asshole for 17 years is not going to overcome in 2 weeks.
Yep.
Which is
2 weeks, 2 months, 2 years for some people.
Yeah.
We had the same shit.
I mean, Danielle for the very first time publicly on stage in front of 5,000 people, like she'd never done this on stage. Well, her first line coming out was, I was there pregnant with our second daughter and my husband cheated on me. And the whole audience is like, because I'm like the golden child of ClickFunnels. And I've already told this story, but it's different when you hear it come from your wife, dude.
Yeah.
So she rocks out, and the first line she drops in front of 5,000 people is this. And I'm like, we're going to see where this goes now. And it was absolutely true. It's 2009 to 2010.
Yeah.
And that whole piece of us cleaning that shit up, I mean, that took a long fucking time. I mean, how many times have I been working on trying to get free of my relationship of that trap with alcohol? I mean, I've been spending years, dude, a decade trying to figure out a way to trick myself without ever changing the fucking narrative. It's fucking comical when I think about it.